everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Stitch Fix. If you're new, I'm Laura, White's white puppy dog. Zena's the tan if you happen to see her, and Harvey's the kitty. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. So Stitch Fix has been knocking it out of the park lately if you've been following me. I have had some really great fixes, lots of 5 for 5s, more in the last, I would say, 3 to 4 months, and I've had the entire time I've been doing this. This is about 6 years. So I'm really excited to dig into this one. I think I did pick 4 out of the 5 pieces from their preview. I love the preview. I really think that makes it so much easier. You have about 12-ish styles to pick from and add to your box if you'd like to, and then add notes for anything you want your stylist to add. I'm hearing beeping. Why am I hearing beeping? I'm like, what is that? The joys of being outside. So let's dig in. They changed, are swapping things up a bit. And now you just get a piece of paper in here that will go over notes from your stylist, as well as talk about your prices. And my stylist today is Kate. So I got a different stylist, which I'm surprised about because my stylist has been Janina for like the longest time. But okay, let's see what Kate has in store for me here. Let's do shoes first. They do send shoes and accessories based on what you choose in your profile. So these shoes were part of my selection. These are Dolce Vita. I thought they were adorable. The heel didn't look too high. I think they're right. Like the little cutout here, mule style. Those are going to be super cute. All right, let's see my bundle. You can also, you get a bag for anything you don't love and don't want to keep. But you can also shop their freestyle. So if you don't want to do a whole fix or you need something right away, you can shop anything available in your size and have it shipped directly to you. So the first item here of clothing is the item that my stylist added. This is the Liverpool long sleeve cargo jacket. It's soft. I think it's got some, yeah, it's got stretch in it. It's longer. That's cute. The color is nice. Flappy pockets. Yeah, all right. Then I have a top from Pistola. This is the Michele long sleeve crew neck tee. All the basics that you need as we get into cooler months. This one is light and wispy. I really like that. And then I have Monroe crop high-rise cigarette jean by Pistola. So these look really nice. And I have another pair of Pistola. These are the Lennon high-rise crop boot. I like Pistolas, and they popped in. I figured I would try them. These didn't have any distressing, so they'd be great for weekend or work. Yeah. All right, this is going to be good. First outfit, I have on the Monroe cigarette crop. Loving this light wash. This is a true cotton. It does not have stretch. So I do think it will relax a little bit with a little time. It's going to hold its shape, I believe. It is cropped, hitting me right at above my ankle bone. Paired it with these awesome shoes. How cool are these, right? They're a nice heel at 3 inches. A neutral, so they'll go with everything. And then this top, which I'm really enjoying. This is like a nice lightweight sweater material. Has the ribbing through it. Perfect for layering. Add a fun belt and a jacket, and this is a really great outfit. What do you think, Wyatt? Wyatt's so funny. He chases the bugs, and he's aggressive about it until one of them comes after him, and then he's afraid of the bugs, and he runs away from them. The Pistola Monroe high-rise cigarette crop. I'm wearing a size 2, 148. the Pistola Michele long sleeve crew neck tee in off-white. I'm wearing an extra small 108. And the Dolce Vita Kelsey Suede heel and taupe. I'm wearing a size 8, which is my normal size, 135. What do you think of this outfit? Next outfit. Okay, so now I have 4 of the 5 items on. I switched out my denim. I added the jacket. And this jacket is awesome. It has stretch. It has a zipper and snaps. It's in a great neutral. I love when they just do snaps because sometimes you just want to close it up, right? You just want a little bit of a close. This is cute too, right? It has snaps at the pockets, which I also am enjoying. And it covers a tushy. What's going on my way? Huh? Covers a tushy too. All right, and then for the denim, this one is the boot cut. Again, in a lighter wash. This is my normal size 26. I think the length is really nice because you'll be able to wear this with booties or wear it as it is, just as I have it with the shoes. I apologize for the beeping. I don't know what truck is backing up or what's happening, but I had this happen one other time too. Soon we'll have to go inside, so we'll enjoy the outside while we can. There's the flappy pockets. And I know so many of you said you enjoy the outside. I do too, so we're just going to go with it. And that's all of my pieces. What do you think? Let's see. For the jacket, which is by Liverpool, I am wearing a size extra small called the long sleeve cargo jacket, 119. And then the Pistola Lennon high-rise crop boot jean, 158. The total for all 5 pieces, $668. If you buy all, you get the 25% discount, $167, bringing my total to $501. If you pay the styling fee, that would also come off. I have the style pass, so I don't pay for that, which is super nice. And yeah, so $501 for 2 pairs of jeans, a jacket, some really cool shoes, and a top. What do you think? That feels not so bad to me. And the jeans are nice. I like that they're cropped. I've been looking for some cropped jeans, and for some reason I don't have many pair, so I think these might be some nice ads. And I think they would go well with booties and boots. So I feel like I can wear them into the fall. Let me know what you think. Of course, I will list all these items down below for you in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist or check them out on Freestyle. I'll put my link to Stitch Fix down below as well. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. This was a great box. So a shout out to my stylist, Kate. She did a great job. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.